Today we'll be making pickled green chilies. So here I have 1.5 green chilies. So cut it into nice and thin slices. Of course, the tip needs to be removed. And make sure when you cut it, it is slanting. And of course, for the green chilies, you can actually add in more if you want to make a full bottle, but for me, I'm just making a little bit. Now, before we start, what we'll be needing to make this pickle is water, a strainer, the green chilies, a bowl, sugar, salt, as well as a bottle that we will keep for storage. Now pick up the green chilies and add it into the bowl. You really don't want to use your fingers to pick up green chilies because if you touch your face, it's gonna sting, so use a chopstick or a pair of tongs. Now add in water and we'll leave it to soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. And in the meantime, we can start prepping. So add in about half a teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of sugar, and now after the 15 minutes is up with the green chilies, then you can just pick out the green chilies and add it into the bottle directly. So you can see that a lot of the seeds are left behind, so that is the reason why we soaked it. So you don't want to pick that up. And now add in vinegar to the bottle. Add in just enough vinegar so that it fully submerges all of the green chilies. Cover it with a lid and we'll leave it for about 3 hours.
3 hours later.
After 3 hours, the pickled green chilies will look like this. And that is it.